Hello everyone, Sam here from myfirstmagicwave.com. Making this a small video about how to add a template into the template folder of your MT4. One of my new subscriber having a problem, and so I just wanted to make a small video exclusively for him, and I'll make it public so everybody else can benefit. So let's get started. I have saved the template, and let's say Aussie. I just saved a template a little while ago, and I send it to into the email to myself. It's right here, right? So this is how you get the template, the email, my email to your email, and where the template is. So you open up the email, and what do? You download the template. For example, here. Click here, download, and it will be coming down here, right? So what you do is you click here and then show in folder. That's what I do. You can open it, but this is the best way. And then right here, copy it. Right click and copy, right? So now you have it, a copy on your clipboard. So now what you do, you go on your MT4 folder, which is let's say go here, right? And the template is Aussie dollar 33-minute chart setup, trade setup for tonight. So we're gonna open the Aussie dollar. I have the Aussie dollar index profile open already. So where's the 33-minute chart? What's up here? 33-minute Aussie index, 33-minute chart. So this is Aussie index, just a plain 33-minute chart. So I'm gonna apply first. I'm gonna apply the template in my template folder of this MT4. So let's go here, file, and you see this open data folder. You click here, and then you look for the template folder, double click on it, and here somewhere you can just click here and paste that template right here. See, paste, and you see it asking me to replace because I already have it, so I'm going to replace it, right? You just have to add it, simple as that. So now you see it's here, Aussie 33-minute today's date. That is the template I'm going to apply on this chart, because this is an Aussie index 33-minute chart, and the trade setup will show up here with all the numbers and everything the way I have the template built up, right? So let's do that. So this is out of the way. This is already set up there in here, right? So we're gonna open this. This is already open, and then I'm gonna open this. Click on here, templates, and look for that Aussie index 33-minute chart for today's date. So Aussie index 33-minute chart, and today's date is 9/8, right? This is the one. Okay, click here, and boom, right? Everything else comes into play here. Everything else, this is the trade setup, is the Fibonacci here, it's right there, going to 120. This is the number that I'm expecting that is going to hit and then drop, and doing so this Aussie Aussie dollar index is going to drop, and Aussie dollar will get weak, and Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie will have a chance to go up. And I'm going to look for the setup in those pairs, and if I find one, if that happens, I will find a long setup and I'll take them, or short, or use Aussie USD or Aussie yen, where Aussie is on the left hand side. So this is how you add the template in your template folder of your MT4 and apply the template on the chart. Hope I explained it in an easy way and you have understand it. So check it out. And if you still have any difficulties, please email me, and I'll try to explain it again some other way. But this is the best way and the easiest way. Okay. But if not, then call me on the Skype, and I will explain you there myself. Okay. All right. So bye for now, and have a wonderful day. Let me see.